In this video, we'll show you how to upload 3-minute reels on Instagram without splitting them and take your content to the next level. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone who loves sharing moments, 3-minute reels let you tell longer, more impactful stories. And stay until the end of the video, because I'm going to show you a quick solution if you don't have the feature just yet. The first thing that we'll do is to open the App Store if you're on your iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using your Android device, and then we're going to check if our Instagram app is updated to the latest version. The 3-minute reels are a relatively new feature, so you'll have to update Instagram in order to get the option in your camera. I'm going to open the Instagram app on my phone and then go over to the camera. Make sure that the Reels option is selected at the bottom, and then we're going to set the length of the reel by tapping on the arrow, which will then show us more options. Tap on the length option, and after that you're going to get a couple of different options. You'll see the 30-second, 60-second option, as well as the 90 seconds, but after updating Instagram, you should get the 180-second or 3-minute option for uploading longer reels. So just select that option, and then you'll be able to record reels up to 3 minutes in length. But if you don't see the option in the Instagram camera, then maybe it's not currently available for your account. So what you can do is to record a 3-minute video from your iPhone or Android camera app, or edit the video and save it to your photo gallery, and then upload that Instagram reel from your device's camera roll instead of recording it. The app should allow you to upload videos up to 3 minutes without splitting them. But if this still doesn't work for you, then maybe there's a bug or glitch in your Instagram application, which is preventing you from seeing this feature, or it's preventing you from uploading longer reels. What you can do in this situation is to exit the Instagram app and then open the settings on your device. If you're an Android user, you will want to find the apps section in the settings of your phone. Then find Instagram and then clear the cache files and reinstall the app on your phone. This should clear the bugs and glitches, and it should refresh the Instagram app on your Android device. But if you're using an iPhone just like I am, then you'll want to navigate over to the General section. Then find the iPhone storage option, and then locate Instagram on this list. After we open the Instagram settings, you're going to see a blue Offload App button, and we will tap on this button, which will then clear the cache files. It will clear the bugs and all of the unnecessary data which your Instagram application may have. When the app offloads, simply tap on the Reinstall App option, and then wait a couple of minutes. This will give your app a refresh, it will force update it to the latest version, and it will clear the glitches and problems which may cause the issue where the 180-second Reels option wasn't showing for you. When you finish with this step, go and check if your Reel camera has the 3-minute option for recording and uploading. If it doesn't, then that simply means that Instagram didn't roll out the feature for your country or region just yet, so all you'll have to do for now is to wait a couple more weeks. Hopefully, the feature should be available for your region soon, and they should roll out the feature. Just make sure to regularly update the Instagram app from your App Store and the Google Play Store, and then you will see the 3-minute Reels option. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.